That's one. Our good name is Sri Buddha School. School is epic school. I will help your teacher. Thank you, Deva. Helping others is a good habit. We should always help people. I'm proud of you. And mother is always help others. Thank you. Morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 cycle, 6, 7, 6, 7.